So I've been gone from my channel for a while, but now that coronavirus is going around, I have some spare time and I'd like to review the NutriBlast Boric Life Kit. So this kit comes with a suppository applicator and also comes with 30 vaginal capsules that you can use, and you insert it into your vagina, and then the boric acid kind of takes away all the bad stuff going on. Like if you guys or you women are dealing with odors, BV, recurring BV, yeast infections, or you know, just having sex regularly and you want something to just keep everything fresh down there, I'd really suggest that you grab this kit off Amazon. It is amazing. This is my second bottle, and I would just insert it like with my hands before, but I just decided to try the applicators just so that I can really get it like close to my cervix so it can really flush out and take out all the bad stuff. So on back, it has like directions on what you can do. And it's really awesome. I do have another video recommending why you should use boric acid, but you know, we can go over the list of benefits that come with boric acid. So I'm just gonna read this off Google so you can see here. So, boric acid is a homeopathic prescription medicine used to treat vaginal yeast infections and relieve symptoms such as burning, itching, and odor. So yeah, I think it's really awesome. I used it for 1 month and I seen drastic changes. I was having recurring BV, being sexually active, you know, obviously you have to keep everything clean down there, and bathing is not enough. So I also did vaginal steaming, which is amazing. I also have my own vaginal steaming company, but if you're looking for that immediate, you know, set it and forget it, because vaginal steaming, you do have to sit down and it takes about an hour. But boric acid is really easy. You put it inside yourself, and I would suggest wearing a liner, something really small, just so that the excess discharge can have somewhere to go and it's not like ruining like your underwears or your clothing. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. NutriBlast suppository applicators and the Boric Life pills with 30 capsules. You can get it off Amazon. It's really awesome. You guys should try it. Thank you.